I had a timetable to follow. And suppose that particular day I wasn't interested in math, suppose. And then I wouldn't like leave the day without doing anything. I would shift to another one. I would do drawing, for example, if I didn't want to do maths. So I would procrastinate among the 3 subjects that we had. The main thing for me was not get stressed out about the exam. So I would keep revising the topics that I already knew. So I wouldn't touch anything new for like a week before the exam. Because if I didn't get anything, then that would be like, oh, I didn't study anything. I'm not going to do well at all. So I would stick to the topics that I knew and I would revise them. Like I would revise drawing. It's good to revise drawing, and then I would revise maths formulas.
Okay.
And also a little bit of aptitude. And also one useful thing that I used to do was to maintain an error book. Whenever I attempted like things, online exams, I would write down the topics that I couldn't solve or the problems that I couldn't solve. So I would solve them after the exam and I would go through them.